This is a demonstration of how you would calculate an activity data in a spreadsheet. And this is something that you would want to do if you have something complicated that the TEISS calculator is asking you for, and you have a formula that you want to write out in Excel.
So there's always 79 cubic feet per cord, so you calculate how many cubic feet, but then you have to get how much that weighs.
The equation is actually written out, and this is good to do because once you write it into your cell, it's hidden, and people can't see it when they look at it. They only see a 0 or right here, 0.00. So the formula is actually in here, but you would not see it until you clicked on the cell, and the formula is right here. So if you write it out in plain English, it makes things a lot easier for someone that's reviewing your spreadsheet. We can see here that the equation is enter the amount of wood burned per year in cords for each stove type, and then it multiplies it by a density, and it divides it to convert from pounds to tons of wood. So we'll play around with this. So for fireplaces, I'm going to enter a value of 10, and we'll see what happens in the spreadsheet. So you'll see that the tons of wood for fireplaces got populated because we have cords and we wanted to convert that to tons. So this formula that's behind the cell here does that calculation for us. And it's written out. When you click on it in this, you can see what cells are used to calculate that number. So it multiplies the amount of cords by 79, which is the density, and it multiplies that by 1 over 2,000, and then it gives you the value. And you'll also see that it calculates the emissions in here, but since you guys are mostly using TEISS to calculate your emissions, you wouldn't need to do that because TEISS does that for you. So you would just need this top part for your spreadsheet. And this would be good to keep on file and make a printout of it to keep it in your files and also keep it in your electronic files.